Welcome back, little champ. Let's learn bathroom subjects name together. This is a toilet seat. It is used in the bathroom every day. It helps people sit comfortably.
This toilet seat is clean and very useful. We use it every day in our bathroom at home.
Wow, this is a wash basin. People wash their hands and face here. It helps keep us clean.
This wash basin helps us wash our hands and stay fresh and clean every single day at home.
Great, this is a shower head. It sprays water for bathing. People use it during showers.
This shower head sprays lots of water and helps us take nice clean baths every single day.
This is a bathtub. It holds water for bathing. Kids enjoy bath time in it.
This bathtub is big and comfortable and makes bath time relaxing and super fun for kids every day.
Amazing, kids. This is a bathroom mirror. People look at themselves in it. It helps while brushing and getting ready.
This bathroom mirror helps us see our face while brushing teeth and getting ready every morning.
Hey kids, this is a faucet. It gives clean water in the bathroom. People use it every day.
This faucet gives us clean water for washing hands and brushing teeth every single day at home.
Look kids, this is a toilet paper. It is soft and very useful. People keep it in the bathroom.
This toilet paper is soft and useful and helps keep our bathroom clean every day at home.
This is a soap dispenser. It gives liquid soap for washing hands. It helps keep hands clean.
This soap dispenser gives us soap to wash dirty hands and stay healthy every single day.
Look kids, this is a toothbrush holder. It keeps toothbrush neat and safe. People place it near the sink.
This toothbrush holder keeps our toothbrushes safe and neat inside the bathroom every single day.
This is a hand towel. People use it to dry their hands. It feels soft and clean.
This hand towel helps us dry our hands quickly after washing them in the bathroom every day.
Wow, this is a plunger. It helps clean blocked toilet. It is an important bathroom tool.
This plunger helps clean blocked toilets and keeps our bathroom working properly every single day at home.
This is a trash bin. People trash waste inside it. It helps keep the bathroom tidy.
This trash bin keeps the bathroom neat and helps us throw away waste every single day safely.
Wow, this is a bathroom cabinet. It stores bathroom items safely. People keep towels and soaps inside.
This bathroom cabinet stores our bathroom items safely and helps keep everything nice and organized every day.
Hey kids, this is an air freshener. It makes the bathroom smell fresh. People spray in the bathroom. This is a toilet brush. It is used to clean the toilet. It helps keep the bathroom shine.
This toilet brush helps clean the toilet bowl and keeps our bathroom shiny and neat every day.
Great job, little champ. We learned bathroom objects names together.